much for coming back to my channel if you've been here before, and if not, welcome for the first time. Today I'm going to show you how to do a balloon arch with no stand from the Dollar Tree. Yes, I said it, from the Dollar Tree. So what you're gonna need is 2 packs of each color. So I have orange, 2 packs of orange, 2 packs of green, 2 packs of purple, and 2 packs of black. Also, 1 spool of ribbon and scissors.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So when you blow them up, I like to blow them up 2 at a time and tie them together. So the way that I'm going to get the spiral look is I'm going to group them together by color and make twins, and then I'm going to make quads. I'm going to tie my black to my purple, and I'm going to tie my orange to my green. have it, our 6 foot and up balloon arch from the Dollar Tree for under $10 with no stand. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.